Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the creative process of making the superhero slider in Figma. Begin by downloading the necessary files from the description below. Next, open your design file and give it a fitting name by simply clicking on Untitled and change it. Let's set the stage by selecting a frame. Navigate to your desktop and choose the model that resonates with you, perhaps MacBook Air or any other preferred model. Next, name the frame as Batman. Then, within Figma, navigate to the File tab and select Place Image from the provided folder. Opt for the UiX image and position it onto the artboard either individually or click on Place All. Once placed, let's fine-tune the size of the UiX and proceed to add our superheroes onto the canvas. It's all about balance and harmony, so let's arrange them alongside their respective cans with care. Now, let's streamline our workflow by selecting each set and utilizing the frame selection option by either doing right-click and then choose frame selection, or navigate to Figma icon, then click on object and choose frame selection or use shortcut. We will rename each layer. This step is totally optional but highly recommended, as by renaming it will help us give us clarity and will be helpful to navigate when needed, and ensure that each layer is named in order to maintain organization. Moving on, let's focus on resizing all frames except for Batman. Open each frame from the Layers panel, resize accordingly and then center align them using the Design Properties panel.
Further, select all frames and use frame selection and then enable clip content from the Design Properties menu.
Now, let's infuse some color into our canvas. Click on Artboard, navigate to Fill and click on Gradients. Opting for Radial Gradient, don't hesitate to customize the color palette of your choice or refer to the provided hex codes in the description below for consistency. Let's not forget about branding. Now let's make the logo. Click on the text tool and write down superhero. Experiment with fonts, opting for something bold and adjust the size to a commanding 60 pixels. Elevate the hero portion by coloring it red and using rectangular background to match. Once satisfied with the logo, group all elements together for convenience. You can group it by using the shortcut Command+G or just navigate to objects and there you will find it. Now let's add some personality by incorporating superhero names using a different font and giving it 40 pixels. For description, just go to Google and type down Lorem Ipsum font and copy paste it. Adjust the size and change the font. Place the superhero frame onto the artboard and elevate the visual appeal by introducing circular elements. Duplicate the circles using the ellipse tool and add images using the Place Image feature. Next, click on the image, then look for an arrow, then opt for crop and then adjust the size of the image by dragging the one with the white border. Ensure consistency by adjusting circle sizes, smaller ones at 90 pixels and larger ones at 120 pixels. Now, let's duplicate the frame and change the name of the frame. Next, change the background color and the size of the superhero circles. Also, change the name. Once that's done, select both the superhero and the can and align them center. Reduce the size and then move the frame and place the next frame by increasing the size and placing them side by side. Repeat the same with all other frames. With all frames prepped, let's transition to the prototyping phase. Connect circles with their respective frames using Smart Animate, and under that choose Slow, opting for a smooth transition with the 900 ms duration. And this is how you get a smooth superhero slider. I trust these steps have been insightful. Feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. Your input is invaluable in shaping future content. Happy designing!